Hey everyone! Welcome back to Guide Pro, your go-to channel for quick Android fixes that actually work. Is your Android phone feeling slow, laggy, or unresponsive? Before you think about upgrading, try this. It takes 30 seconds and works on almost any Android phone. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Reduce animations, instant speed boost. This is the fastest way to make your phone feel faster. Go to Settings, About Phone, tap build number 7 times to enable developer options. Now go to Settings, Developer Options, find Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, Animator Duration Scale. Set all 3 to 0.5x or off for maximum speed. Your phone will feel instantly snappier. Step 2. Clear background apps. 10 seconds. Tap the Recent Apps button and swipe away apps you're not using. This frees up RAM and reduces lag. Step 3. Turn off live wallpapers. Go to Settings, Wallpaper. Switch to a static wallpaper. Live wallpapers drain performance and battery. Step 4. Disable and use background apps. Go to Settings, Apps, select apps you rarely use and disable background activity or uninstall if not needed. Fewer background apps equals smoother performance. Bonus tip: restart your phone. A quick restart clears memory leaks and background processes. Do this at least once a week. Outro. That's it. Simple changes, big speed boost, and no apps needed. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe to Guide Pro, and turn on notifications for more fast Android tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your faster phone.